Hey everyone, welcome back to Get a Simple. Today we're diving into the world of WordPress forms, called Fluent Forms. You need forms on your website. Maybe it's a contact form, an application form, a survey, whatever it is, Fluent Forms lets you create them with drag and drop ease. No coding required. But wait, there's more. Here's why Fluent Forms is gonna be your new best friend. Fluent Forms is a user-friendly tool that allows users to create functional forms with various field types like name, email, phone number, drop-downs, and file uploads. It also features email notifications, ensuring users don't miss a lead. Fluent Forms is compatible with various marketing tools, CRMs, and payment gateways, making it a powerful tool for creating visually appealing forms on any device. With Fluent Forms, you can create professional-looking forms that are easy to use. That means more leads, more conversions, and ultimately, a happier you. And guess what? There's actually a link in the description below where you can save up to 50% on Fluent Forms. So what are you waiting for? Head over there, grab your discount, and get ready to transform your websites. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.